Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to use bank statement as proof of address. Without further ado, let's get started. 1. Ensure the bank statement is recent. Most organizations require a statement from the last 3 months. Some may accept digital statements, but others require printed versions. 2. Check that your address matches your ID. The name and address on the statement must match the address you are proving. If your bank has an outdated address, update it before requesting a statement. 3. Get the statement in acceptable format. Printed statement. Download a PDF from online banking and print it. Official copy. Request a stamped printed copy from your bank if needed. 4. Submit to the institution requesting it. If submitting online, ensure it is clear and readable. If mailing, use a high quality printout to avoid rejection. 5. Alternative proof of address documents. If your bank statement isn't accepted, try utility bill, electricity, gas, water, lease agreement, or mortgage statement, government issued document, tax return, letter from a government agency, etc. as seen in this tutorial. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.